Hey guys, this is the GCAM running on the Motorola One Action. I'm going to show you what is working and what is not, along with samples as well, and also show you how to install this. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and also like this video. Let's begin. So let's start with the night side. So guys, you can see this is how it looks, very dark. Now let me see how this looks with the GCAM and the normal camera. So this is the default camera, and you can see pretty much it is dark and you hardly see anything. And if you look at the GCAM, it gets really bright, but yes, there is a bit of noise, but you can definitely see the details like the name on that particular object. So it is pretty good, I would say. Alright guys, this is another shot, very dark as you can see. Now let me take the photos. And guys, this is even darker, and here you barely see anything. But if you look at the GCAM results, as you can see, you see a lot more details in the picture, including my shadow casting on the wall as well. But yes, there is a lot of noise which we cannot deny. See, this is a watch that I placed here. Now let's see how this looks, and this is pretty dark as you can see. So here you can barely see the watch sitting on the wall, and on the GCAM you can see the watch, at least the shape and stuff. And guys, I've taken all these photos handheld, and for these long exposure shots you actually need a tripod or something where the phone is very stable for better results. But I did it very casually, taken all these shots handheld, and if you can use some accessories, then it might actually get you slightly better results. Now moving to the normal standard photos taken from both the default camera and the GCAM, you can see the results for yourself, but I personally did not notice much of a difference. And here are some more samples for you guys to judge and compare them side by side. But if you turn on the HDR, then it will completely overexpose the shot, and it is completely unusable as you can see in the picture. Now talking about the portrait mode, this definitely disappointed me. It results in overexposed shots. As you can see, it completely blows out the exposure, and it just doesn't look good. I tried this with both humans and objects, and the results are the same. So if you still want to give it a shot, you can. I'm going to show you how to install this, and you can also try with other configurations as well. So first of all, go to this page. I'll drop a link in the description, and here you need to download the GCAM APK file along with the XML file as well. And to download the XML or the configs file, all you have to do is press and hold and click on the download link, and you can find that in the file manager later. Now open the file manager, and here you need to create a couple of folders. First of all, just start creating a new folder named GCAM, as you can see over here. Once that is done, open that folder, and inside that GCAM folder, create another folder named configs, as you can see here, and make sure that you are doing all this in the internal memory. Now again, open your file manager and go to the downloads folder, and here you will find the XML file that we saved, and move that file into the GCAM configs folder. Now go ahead and find the GCAM APK file that you downloaded and install that. Once that is installed, open the GCAM and click on this darker area, and you will get this pop-up message. Click on the restore so that the configuration file is loaded onto your GCAM settings, and that's it. Now you can start using the GCAM. And guys, on the status bar it keeps showing you this message, and if you want to get rid of that, all you have to do is just go into the settings and disable in the notifications area so that it does not bug you anymore. So personally, I don't really recommend to install this as of now because there are a lot of bugs. So let's hope that we get to see better GCAM versions. And if you have come across any better GCAM version, do comment down below. I just wanted to explore how the experience was. I am just sharing it with you as it is. So for more updates, do subscribe and also like this video. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you soon.